What is up, guys? Mikey Messini here with Mikey DC, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, which I'm super excited about. Please bear with me. This is going to be a pretty rough edited, short, not so in-depth edited video because I just want to get it unboxed, just give you my first initial impressions. I will do a detailed review video of this bag where it will be all nice and edited for you all, so let's check it out. Okay, got it right here, so let's open this up. Ooh. Check this out, y'all. This is the Vertx Gamut 3.0 right here. Came in this nice bag. Rip this open up here. Wow. So I got the black color. I just like the black look of things, and this thing, I mean, it has a pretty nice weight to it already. Let's just go over a couple things here. So one of the things that I was very attracted to with this new black 3.0 Gamut is the material. The material is like this ripstop nylon that feels very rigid and durable, because I'm going to be carrying this around every single day, and I want to make sure that, you know, there aren't any holes that protrude out of it and that's like cheaply made. So Vertx, really great job with this. I'm not sponsored by Vertx. I purchased this with my own money, and yeah, it is pretty pricey. I'll link it in the description below so that way you can get your hands on it as well if it's something that you would like to purchase. Looking at it here, this front pocket, or this thing here is a grab handle for the bag in case it's on the floor or what have you, and you pick it up real easy to go. It's there for you. And then on here, I understand that the 2.0 didn't zip up all the way to the center. It looks like the new version does do that. I'm just gonna open that up here. And it looks like there's this pull tab, boom, to give it that easy access. And the new thing about the 3.0 is that this is all Velcro lined. You can put your different MOLLE pouches that are hook and loop onto here. It goes from all the way at the top, all the way to the bottom. Right here as well is this little Velcro where you can open up, and then you can tuck this whole thing into there and Velcro it as well, so that way it's just MOLLE exposed if you want to rock your bag that way. At the top, this right here is where they have it lined for where you can put your sunglasses, your phone, any easy access things that you can have up top. And then on the side here is the water bottle section, the water bottle pouch, where you just slide into there real easy. The old one had the water bottle pouches on the outside, so this is actually now hidden. And then on the left side, it looks like this is the admin pouch pocket. So it has this little clear mesh lining here that Vertx does with all their bags. In addition to that, it has pockets for pens, knives, flashlights, whatever EDC gear you have. And then it has like a nice channel right here, so that way you can put any type of pouches or what have you in there. And then on the main compartment, this does open up clamshell. So let me zip this all the way down. Boom, look at that. This is the laptop sleeve area. I'm going to just open that up, take this off. But I have a 14-inch MacBook Pro that will fit in here, it looks like. I mean, based on all the reviews I've seen. The difference is with this new laptop sleeve, it has Velcro, hook and loop lining on the front. So even more places to put your Velcro pouches on here. Really nice. And then there's this pull tab right here, which is for your hydration packs. So there's actual pass-throughs on both ends here, which are closed with Velcro, so water won't get through if it rains or anything like that. You can feed your tube through, so that way you can have that as a hydration pouch. And then it does have little liners here on the backpack straps, so that way you can have that 2 feet down and it's not just swinging around. This, on the Gamut 2.0 that I've seen in videos, there were 2 mesh pouches here prior. They've taken that mesh pouch out and now added this little hook and loop Velcro lining area. So you can put like a med pack there, or you can put any type of extra admin pouches that you have there, tourniquets, what have you. The cool thing about this is that there's a pull tab on here. So in case you have this zipped up, you can have this pull tab hanging out. In an event of an emergency or what have you, you just use this pull tab, open this up, get access to your things that are inside here, which make it really easy for you to grab that stuff. And on this flap here, it looks like there's this new admin panel that they added to their bags. It has this little bungee here where you can maybe put like a flashlight, put some knives, pens, you can put that on here as well. And it has the hook and loop lining, so it goes there. It can go down here. You can go on the laptop section, real easy. And then I want to show you guys the back part, which is the CCW compartment. There's this new rapid access pull tab that compared to the generation 2 and 1, you can actually move to any area of the bag that has a pull tab. Depending on where, I guess, you have your CCW, you'll have easy access to it. But this is really what this back channel is for. It really is for that CCW section. So in an event, boom, you pull it down and you have access to this whole compartment here. They say that they made this panel a lot larger for your CCW items. Here is this little picture breakdown of how you can organize this CCW section. Has that lining all over there. On this back side, which is pretty common with all their bags, it has this Velcro on the bottom because you can actually slide an armor panel under here. I've seen a lot of videos with Mike from LLOD. He slides Premiere panels into here. Talon Sai, Colin Noir. They also have ballistic panels that they can put on here, so that way in an event where you have to use this bag as maybe a self-defense shield or body armor, you can do so, because this bag has this pass-through which you can actually use as a shield in an event where you're in a situation you have to defend yourself. This is also a pass-through for your luggage. So if you want to just hang this on the bars of your actual rolling luggage, you can do so as well, and that makes it really easy and convenient for you. This here is a hip strap. It has compression straps to it. There is a channel right along here where you can hide those straps, or you can just take them off completely, it looks like. This bag also has G-hooks right here on the side, where this front panel can actually cling on to. This can go on to here. This is also what attracted me to this bag, because I do bike to work. Rather than just leaving my helmet hanging around, boom, you just put that G-hook on there. I can put my helmet right here, and so that way it's intact. I don't have to worry about it hanging around or leaving it anywhere else or losing it. These are also sternum straps that are adjustable on the front, which is real neat. It looks like it has different ride heights depending on, you know, your chest area. This grab handle here for the bag is really nice. I'll make sure I follow up with a loadout video of what I end up putting in here, so that way you guys can get an idea of how to pack this bag up. But this is going to be my EDC. Currently I have the 511 LV10 sling bag. It just doesn't have much space for me to hold a lot of things that I carry every single day. Stay tuned. I'll make sure I have a follow-up video for you guys. I got mine off of Amazon because it was just a little cheaper. Even with LLOD's discount at the Vertx site, it was a lot cheaper on Amazon. So I'll have that link in the description below. This is the Gamut 3.0. Mike and Messina with my EDC.